Hello teachers, this is a guide to show you how to create a Google form. So before you start creating the Google form, there should have already been a class discussion prior to creating the Google form about the theme and the 5 options. So I'm just going to show you. You will go to forms, create from a blank template, and over here you can just type, like for example, 3SD class survey. After discussing about the theme, maybe the question will be about movie characters, their favorite movie characters. So your question will be, which movie character do you like? So the discussion will have already firmed up the 5 categories. Maybe I just randomly put the Captain America, Minions, Cinderella, Ewoks, Spider-Man. So 5 categories. You have to check this as required. And after that, you will need to go to settings under responses. There's this part that will only restrict to users of MOE. You will have to uncheck this to make sure that the students are able to access. After that, you can go to send. Go to this part whereby you can retrieve the link. You can shorten the URL. You can copy this. Now, in order for the students to get the link to do the survey, right, you will need to go to class announcement. For SLS, you can add group announcement. You should have your own class survey groups, your class groups. So you go here and you can have here like a link for class survey or class data collection. Please click here. Okay, so this will be the link for them. You can also add a hyperlink if you want to. That can open in a new window, you can save, and you can send this to them. It will be immediate. They will be able to log into SLS to retrieve this link. Now, after going to the link, they should be able to see the survey that looks like this. All right, and they will have to choose one option. They cannot choose more than one option. So get the pupils to have to do this survey only once. So I'm going to do this probably 5 times to just show you on how to get the responses. Okay, maybe just one last one. Okay, so when you go back to the main form, right, the question still will be here, but over here under responses, you should be able to see 5. You can actually use this chart to show them the number of people who voted for that particular character, and you can actually write this on the board to facilitate them in using this data for creating bar graphs using Excel later. And you can tell them that this is from the data collected. There should be more than 5 responses. So depending on the attendance of your class, you will have to get them to, all of them, to submit their responses. Alright, so there will be another part of the video whereby I'll be guiding the pupils on how to create bar graph using Excel. Alright, that's all then.